plus 3 plus x is minus 5. Okay, so plus x is minus 5 minus 3 plus x is minus 8. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Crack It with CK. Today we are going to do this topic, fill in the blank with the missing integer. Let us see what we have. Okay, the very first step, instead of the blank, we will place the letter x over there. And now we have to find the value of this unknown letter. Let us see what we can do. First, let us just open up the brackets. So I want to write the entire statement without any brackets. Minus 6 plus x is plus 7. Now, put x on the left side of the equal to sign and transfer everything else on the right side of the equal to sign. So, plus x is equal to plus 7 plus 6. Now, what have I done here? Plus 7 is on the right side of the equal to sign, so nothing will change. It will remain as it is. Whenever an integer will jump over the equal to sign on the other side, which we have to do in this case, the negative will become positive, positive will become negative. That is all that you have to remember. So now in this case, positive x is positive 13. That's it. The next sum, plus 8 minus x is plus 3. Okay. So now when we are placing x on this side, mind you, we have to take it along with the sign. Okay. Don't forget the negative sign of x. Is equal to plus 3 minus 8, because it has jumped over the equal to sign, the sign will become opposite. Minus x is equal to minus 5. Now all this we have done in the addition of integers part. So if you all have not watched that video, you will understand this better. Please watch that first. Now in this, what do? X is negative 5 upon negative 1. Now where did this 1 come from? Because whenever we write this x, it is always minus 1x. So if in algebra also, if they say x plus x, it means 1x plus 1x. The x will always have that as a constant with it. You all will understand when you do algebra. But for now, remember this step. Minus and minus becomes plus. This we did in division of integers. So x is 5. If you think that this is very confusing, just wait till we practice more sums and you will get it. Now in the next one, okay, first I want you to see this, guys. In this means when these two signs are together, it means they are being multiplied. So in multiplication of integers, if these signs are same, like plus and plus or minus and minus, so in same signs we'll have the plus sign in the end, and if they are different, then we are going to put a negative sign. What do I mean by that? Plus and plus, same signs, plus 7. Minus and minus, same signs, plus 6. Now one is plus and one is minus. They are different, so I will put minus 3. And again they are different, minus and plus, so I'll put minus 9. Basically this is multiplication of these signs. So when the signs are same, we put positive, and when the signs are different, we put negative. Now let us go back to what we have. Okay, now we are going to place x in place of the blank. So x plus and minus is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 will remain minus 2 because it is not jumping over the equal to sign, and negative 5 will become positive 5. X is plus and minus, we subtract. This is again addition of integers, 3 and sign of the greater number. The next sum, minus 4 plus x is minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 plus 4. Why plus 4? Because it has jumped over the equal to sign. X is negative 9 and positive 4 is negative 5. The next one, x, minus and minus, when they are multiplied together, same signs, we put a plus sign. X is equal to plus 6 is equal to positive 4. X is equal to positive 4 minus 6, because minus 6 is jumping over. X is plus and minus, we subtract and sign of the greater number. All this we have done in addition and subtraction of integers, guys. If you find this confusing, watch that before. Plus 9 plus x is plus 2. Plus x is equal to plus 2 minus 9. Plus x is equal to minus 7. The next one, first open up the brackets. X plus and minus, the signs are different, so we put minus sign, is minus 3. X is minus 3 plus 7. X is plus 4. Minus 5 minus x, okay, the minute this minus comes, it is dangerous. You have to be very careful over here. Is equal to minus 8. Minus x is equal to minus 8 plus 5. Minus x is minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So x is minus 3 upon minus 1, which is, this can cancel, x is 3. Next one, x plus and minus together is minus 4 is minus 6. X is equal to negative 6 plus 4. X is negative 2. Plus 3 plus x is minus 5. Okay, so plus x is minus 5 minus 3 plus x is minus 8. So your final answer has to be positive x, means you have to find the value of positive x. You cannot keep it negative. And if your answer is negative 8, that's absolutely fine. The value of x is minus 8 over here. Okay, are you all ready for a small test? You can give the answers in the comments section below, or I can give you the answers in some days, and then you can match it along and let me know whether you got all right. I'm putting up the test now. This is it. Pause the video, quickly try it in a notebook or a paper, and put your answers in the comment section below. That is all for now. I will bring some another video in a few days. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.